go.
지민이 바보.
Jack, come back. You possible English, man.
타타 마이크.
I'm English. Shopping together?
땡스. $3, yeah. What you doing?
Grandmaster, I'm proud of you, man.
Girl.